What is going on, guys? Hope you're having a fantastic week. Hope you've had a fantastic week. Hope your day goes pretty good. Sorry about doing an intro like this. I was actually going to do it out in the boat, but I'd forgotten to do it just due to the excitement of getting Brittany out there, getting her into some good fish. As you're about to see, we had an absolute cracker day, probably one of the better days of fishing that I've had. I love being out there. I love putting Brittany into some really good fish. Brittany's been a friend of mine for probably around 10 years, I'd say. And she's just one of those girls that lives and breathes fishing, and that's awesome to see, you know. She tackles every obstacle with flying colours, with her hands on. She's just an awesome chick. Loves to get her hands dirty and loves to catch big fish. I know it's a long video, but make sure you guys actually sit down, enjoy it, watch the whole thing. Because I honestly think this video gets better and better as it gets through. You know, there's some big queenfish in it, there's a big GT as well. So make sure you watch it all, and I hope you enjoy.
Oh, look at him! Yes! Yes! Cast it! Yes! Queenfish! Look at it! Woo! I got all of it! Yep! G!
Can't even tie me lure on.
Look at him right here!
I think the smaller one just grew, to be honest. Oh, right there. Pretty sure it's got 150 metres of line, I reckon.
Can't even tie me lure on.
Look at him right here, look at him. We're right in the school. Hurry up, Brittany.
Hold on, I can't. Alright, ready. Oh, do me not right.
No pressure.
No pressure, I can't do it. Hold on.
There's pressure.
Alright. I'm not used to pressure.
Look at him, look at him. Oh my god, if you cast one cast, you'll be on straight up.
Oh my god, I'm coming.
Hurry up, Brittany, hurry up.
I'm coming!
Well, this is like the longest catch ever because this is 7.5 minutes.
Well, he's here. End result. Nice little mac tuna. I reckon it took me about 20 minutes to reel in. Bloody hell.
10 minutes.
That's that tuna they got caught on the new wobbler from JML. Another new prototype that's coming into the country that, again, designed for barramundi, but that's a nice little fish there. Got a tuna on him and nice little great action. First cast, bang, straight on. So we'll take the hooks out and we'll let him go. I think that's bait over there. Oh, I had a touch. Oh, yes! Yes! Yeah, I got it on. Eggs! I think it's a G. It's only a baby. Cast at the rocks there, Birtto. Yeah. Baby G. It's tiny.
This one, 50 kilos.
First G of the morning, not the size we want. We probably want one about 100 times bigger than that. But that's a good start nonetheless. He's bleeding a little bit, so what we'll do is we'll get the hooks out and we'll let him go as quick as possible. But that is a nice way to start the day on the 120mm Western sinking swim. So, like I said, we'll get the hooks out and we'll let him go. Oh, big G! Oh, he's on it! Pack attack! Cast over here, Brittany! Cast it! Yes, queenfish! Cast it! Heaps of queenies! Quick! Cast, look at them all! Cast, just here, just near my line, Quick!
That'll work, that'll work. Wind it, wind it, wind it. They're on it, Brittany. Keep moving, keep moving. You got him, you got him. Yeah. Oh, geez, almost put me out of the boat.
Oh my God.
There's heaps of them out there. That's a big one. That's a nice queenie. That's the cast you needed before. There's a whole school of them. Did you see that?
Yeah.
You hooked one, didn't you?
I hooked one and then it sputtered.
Oh. Oh. Whew, that was pretty sick. Big queenfish. Just cast a western over some reef flats, and the next minute had an absolute pack attack of queenfish. I've hooked an absolute donkey as well, so just rest the back and then I'll pull him in the boat and we'll have a look at him. All right, hook's out, we'll let him go. More than likely fight themselves to the point of no return, so we'll try and revive him. If we can't, we will take him home because they are pretty good chewing and we don't want him to go to waste. So the best way with pelagics is to spear their head in first. If he goes, he goes. If he doesn't, we'll get him and we'll take him home. Oh, happy days, he swam away. All good. Oh, look at him, look at him. Look at this one, look, see it right there. Yes, yes. Oh!
I didn't see a belly flop them. Have you got your boat?
Yeah. Yes, Brittany's on. Go, Birtto.
Got the rod bucket? No, I'm alright for now.
What do you got there?
I think it's a queenie. I think.
It is, look at it. Woo!
Oh,
I got all of it.
it's gonna pull me in, eh? Oh, that's a big queenie. Oh. There goes me gut.
You right?
Yeah. Come on, big fella.
Got him.
Yes. Woo! Number 2 on the Western Swims, literally within 10 minutes, right beside the boat. Holy Jeebus. Woo! Alright, we're letting him go. Catch him next weekend. Woo! Hey, swam away beautifully. See you later.
Up my game.
Oh.
Take Brittany fishing one time and she's starting to smoke me. It's not good enough. I'm gonna get another one.
Yes, that is so sick. We put on this earth to work full time. Right, come on.
Oh, look at him. Yes, yes, yes. Oh. Oh. I don't think it's a. I think it's a mackerel, eh? I think it's a mackie. Yeah, it's just different. Watch it. Yeah, it's a. No, it's a queenie. Big queenfish. Oh Jesus, he's cutting line, cutting water. Oh, look at Brittany, another one. Cast right here. Yeah, baby. That's all right. That's all right. If he sees it, he'll come out and smoke it. There, she got him! Cast again, cast again! He might come back around. You're gonna have it's not like a U-turn. Cast far. Cast far. Yeah, that's him. Queenie number 5, I think. 4. There, you got one. Keep moving it. Keep moving it. When that happens, just keep moving it. Don't stop it, because they'll lose interest. There. Keep going. Keep moving it. Brittany, go, Brittany, go. Go, Brittany.
Pull me in.
Yeah. Oh, Brittany. And we'll get hers in, and then we'll get a double shot up here, eh?
Oh.
Brittany, little word of advice: if you can, put the rod in your hip. There you go. Now you pump and wind him.
Oh, that's better.
Woo! Babe, there's another one if you want to get one.
Pull me in, that's all.
Not ready yet.
Oh, that was darko! Oh my god, Kyle!
Is that not one of the coolest things you have seen? Double hookup on meter plus queenfish. Both on the swims. I hooked mine, a huge school came up behind it. I told Brittany to give a cast, a couple casts later, and bang, she was on. They'll both be over a metre, eh? 100%. All right, we'll take the hooks out and we'll let them go.
All right, we're letting this big girl go. Woo!
Is she going?
Yeah. That was awesome.
Monster Queenie number 4, is it, Birtto?
Yeah.
Yeah. What an awesome fish on the western. We found a school of them, we're sitting on them, we're just banging them, and it's pretty good. All fish are releasing pretty well, so we'll take the hooks out and we'll let him go. It's a fair bit of blood, but he should be all right. Yep, G! Oh!
Do you want me to reverse it?
Yeah. Go forward, just go forward. No, easy.
Sorry, you're both really touching. Sorry, mate.
You're right. Just put it in gear and just slowly drag it out. Just like this is good. Big G, finally. Oh. Yeah, you just keep cruising out. Yeah. Just no. Just in gear. Just in gear. Just like that. That's good. No, you're in gear.
I am?
Yeah, you're good. It's just dogging at the moment. Tell you what, persistence pays off. We're just working a ledge. I told Robin and Brittany there has to be a G here. The current's there, it's nice and deep. The bait was there, and I've hooked up, and I've got Brittany just driving the boat out at the moment, pulling it away from any sort of danger zone. How deep are we, Birtto?
24 metres.
Yeah, you're right, neutral. Yeah, it's a big G. Well, he feels big. He's not monstrous, but he's good. He's a good fish nonetheless. He'd be 10, 15, I'd say. Want to get the net, Birtto, please? That's a good fish. That's a really good fish. No. Keep your net. Keep your head first. Go lift.
Oh my god, Kyle. Oh, Jesus. Woo-hoo! Yeah!
Far out. That's all I wanted today was a G. That's all I wanted. I got one.
That's a huge fish.
I got my G. Oh.
I'm G'd up.
That's huge.
Oh, I knew it. There's current moving. Everything was happening.
Oh, what a fish.
It had to happen. Western swim. Tell you what, not the longest GT in the world, but he is a fat fish. How good is that? Oh my god, you should see. The thickness of this fish is massive. Like, I can't even wrap my fingers around the back of its tail. That's how bloody awesome this fish is. Oh, on the Western swim again. Tell you what, I was looking away actually, and he just came out of nowhere and just absolutely smoked it. So, we'll get some photos, we'll get the hooks out and we'll let him go, but it's fat. I can't believe how thick his tail is for a fish this size. That is insane. All right, there he is. Nice fish, we'll let him go. Good idea to try and spear these guys in as they are a pelagic species, so get the water flowing through the gills straight away, but off he goes. Thanks buddy, go get your mum. There he goes, look at the thickness. You can see the thickness of that fish. Look at it. Holy moly. Look at that. That is a thick GT. That's freaking awesome. Oh. While I have a 5-minute breather to try and get my sanity back after catching a GT in such tight country, I just want to show you again what we're using. This here is that Western swim that I always talk about and preach about. As you can see, used to have a bit of paint on it. That's all that's left. Every single fish today has come from a Western swim. Brittany's caught queenfish on it, I've got queenfish and the GT. I've caught a coral trout, long tom. Tell you what, we've had hits by mackerel, and that's the lure there. And the cool thing about the Westerns is actually out of the packet straight away, they've got really good terminal tackle to handle these big fish. As you can see, I was fishing an 18K Stella, 110 pound braid, 130 pound leader, and I've had it locked. I had that reel locked. Trebles didn't even straighten. So that's the quality of what you're getting when you're fishing with the Westerns. The lures and the trebles don't straighten and they don't break. But I've got my breath back. I'm gonna get another one. Let's go. That is it, guys. I hope you loved the video. Thanks again for watching. Please like, please subscribe, leave some comments, let me know what you think. And as always, catch you next time.